Hello, my name is Tuba Hashim from class 9th. My assignment topic is force and laws of motion. This assignment is given by my subject teacher Tanu ma'am. What is force? When you pull the door to open and when you push the car, it applies force. A push or pull on a body is called force. There are two types of force, balanced force and unbalanced force. A force where two forces acting on a body on equal sizes is known as a balanced force. Unbalanced force, a force where two forces acting on a body in opposite direction, but the magnitude as well as the weight is not equal, is known as unbalanced force. Laws of motion. Newton has given laws to describe the motion of its bodies. There are Newton's laws of motion. Newton's first law states that every object will remain at rest or in motion until they compelled with an external force applied to it. Newton's second law of motion states that the acceleration of an object is depending upon two variables, the net force acting on an object and the mass of the object. Newton's third law states that every action force in nature that is an equal and opposite reaction. Thank you.